amount of power that the dual battery blower has is extreme. There's definitely no question if it'll get the job done or not.
It has the power of a gas-powered blower and still has enough battery runtime to get your technician through the day.
With the M18 fuel dual battery blower, I notice it has quite a bit of power up close and at a distance. It's lightweight, I don't have gas to deal with.
I was really blown away by the power. Hit the trigger and it's on automatically. There's no warm-up time, it's just instant power.
As soon as you pull the trigger, the power's there.
You're instantly doing what you need to do. And in the lawn care business, any time savings is what you're looking for.
What's unique about the new Milwaukee battery powered blower is the variable speed trigger.
I can adjust the power on it when I'm blowing debris out of beds and tight areas.
The power control lock is a great feature. It really helps with just basically having a cruise control on your blower. I would absolutely recommend the new Milwaukee dual battery blower. It's efficient, it's durable, the noise is half of that of a gas powered blower. It gives an A+.
It's the only blower you're really going to need. This thing really has some power. It's really impressive.